Yo guys, good news! Good news! This is a good day. I wish more days could be like this. This is the best news I have ever heard in 2020 and this is just incredible. The headphone jack is coming back. Never I expected this to happen and Samsung for this I love you 3000. So guys, the headphone jack is coming back with the Galaxy S21 and that was the point of the video. So I just told you everything and then see you tomorrow. Enjoy the good news. Still here? Well, let's go in depth. So this leak comes from Mayuri QHD and he says that Samsung is considering to bring back the headphone jack as a risky experiment to see what happens. According to him, the quote-unquote experiment is for 1 year, which should mean that both the Galaxy S21 series and the Note 21 series should arrive with a headphone jack if Samsung decides to move forward with this plan. Hey Samsung, I'm not a beggar, but for this, I will beg. I really want the Galaxy S21 to have this feature. Just imagine how big of a story it would be if they bring it back from dead. Media will go crazy, fans will go insane, OnePlus fans, Apple fans, Huawei fans will have nothing to say. And paired with the AMD Exynos, this will literally be the perfect smartphone of next year. But if you take leaks with a slight pinch of salt, then my friend, take this one with a mountain of salt. I really want this to be true, but I am still having a little bit of hard time believing this because I don't know, maybe I lost trust in companies, maybe I'm an idiot to not believe this. Let me know, do you think that the headphone jack could return? And if it does return, what would be your reaction? Moving on, we have our first look of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, this time from all angles. The front we have already seen before with the hole punch display and the minimum bezels, but not quite at the level of a flagship. On the right hand side we have our buttons and on the back side we have triple cameras with a flashlight. On the bottom you get the charging slot and the speaker grill. You do not get the headphone jack on this one, that is for next year. The screen is of 6.5 inches Full HD resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone frame is made up of metal, but the back panel is indeed glasstic with a matte finish. The color of the smartphone seems to be the same as the Galaxy Note 20 green, which I have heard is quite pretty. Samsung is expected to release both 4G and 5G variants of the smartphone, and this should be a better buy if you are considering a Galaxy Note 20. And I really want to see this smartphone in person, but nothing can beat the excitement about the possible return of the headphone jack. That is the main story of today and will kind of be revolutionary if they go with the plan. Let me know guys your thoughts in the comment section. This deserves a big like. I don't care, the headphone jack demands a like. Subscribe to the channel for more details on the S21 and guys, thanks for watching.